Right. The next one we need to go for is installing any one database. But I recommend to go with the Microsoft database that is known as Microsoft SQL Server database. I recommend because Power BI is product of Microsoft. So let me go for the SQL Server so that our learning will be having more features to explore it. Right, how to download SQL Server Developer Edition. You can click on this one. If you click on this, it's going to take you to the page where we have the options SQL Server 2019 on premise, SQL Server 2019 on Azure. But you can notice here these two things are chargeable actually. So let us go and try to see in the bottom. Download a free specialized editions for the developer and for the express editions are available. Here we have the developer kind of thing. Then click on here download now. SQL Server 2019 Developer is a full-featured free edition licensed for use as a development and test databases in a non-production environment. You can click on this download now, then it's going to download one software. Once you downloaded that software, you have to follow these instructions you have to follow. You have to click on this developer, download now. We'll get this kind of .exe file, SQL 2019-SSEI, then dev, that means development version, we are going to get it. Once you got that, if you double click on it, there we have the basic installation, custom installation like that. You select here basic installation, you try to select it. Then it is going to ask you license agreement. You try to agree that license agreements. Click on here accept. Then you have to say click on the install. It's going to install in the C program files, Microsoft SQL Server. It is going to install. This also small software only. We need here in MBs only is required. You can go and you can do this one. So observe the connection information. The connection string, it is going to use localhost, and database by default one database will be created which is known as master, and it is going to create your software installation media folder. This is very important to note down. Installation media folder. Down the line, you need any extra installations you want to enable, this folder is required. By default, it will be there in the SQL 2019 developer ENU. In my case, as already installed, let us go and try to observe this PC C drive. There you can notice SQL 2019 developer ENU folder is already available. This folder is very important, because tomorrow I want some other features I want it. We are going to reinitiate this one. We'll talk about that one anyhow. The screen whatever available, try to save somewhere, you try to save it. That is very important. Now if you want to test our connection, you can go on, you can test it. If you say, hey, get me the version, then it's going to give the version, it is going to give it SQL Server 2019 15.0 2000.5. This is what the version what we have. With this, we can say SQL Server database installation is completed. It's very easy. It's very easy. I am expecting everyone to complete this one. Okay. Yes, Soumya, Ravish, Subra, did you download
Okay.
it?
No, not yet.
No,
Yeah, click on the download option now. I hope you understand what is the navigation to download, right? By following the screenshots. Subra, did you able to click on download now? Ravish, okay. I hope its download process is going on. Once this is downloaded, you need to go and you have to install by following the screenshots, whatever we have it.
can you share the
Can you share the what you want to share? This document you mean to ask? This document is available in our channel. If you go to our GitHub, let us go to the GitHub, then RRA Tech, then Power BI. This is what our material location. There you can go to the notebooks. This is a channel where you'll get all the documentations that are going to get it. I am sharing this one in the chart. I am sharing. If you go to your notebooks, in the notebooks you'll see one of the notebook that is called as, we are discussing about introduction and installation, PBI001 introduction and installation. There you can see all the information whatever I am showing it. Am I clear? You need not download any material, directly you can use from here, you can use it. Is it clear, Subra?
Yes, it is clear. Can you share the link of one chart?
Yeah, in the chart I shared it already. In the chart I gave the link of my GitHub.
Okay, I'm not getting any.
Now
No,
so
I'm not getting. Hello.
you might be getting. Soumya, did you get my link?
No.
No. In the chart, in the
Yeah.
chart.
Yeah, in the chat only I checked it. I'm not getting. I didn't
Oh,
get.
is it? Okay.
Yes.
It is showing for me to send it already. How about now?
Now it is. Now I got it.
Now you got it? Okay, fine, fine. That's fine. Soumya, you also got right?
No, actually, I didn't got.
Oh,
Yeah,
so it
I
is.
will. I will check.
Okay. Very simple it is. The URL is very simple. What all you have to do is, everyone knows GitHub and everyone knows our institute name RRI Tech, then /Power BI. This is a simple URL. github.com/RRI Tech/Power BI. You can type even. github.com/RRI Tech/Power BI. Even you're not getting the chart, you can go and you can type it. Now that's how we are going to install the SQL server. We are going to install it. Okay, let me keep some pause on this.